The words you use are what can create a deep and lasting connection with women. Many men believe that attraction is all about looks, confidence, or even playing hard to get. But the truth is, the most powerful tool at your disposal isn't your appearance or status. It's the way you communicate. Believe it or not, two simple words can instantly grab her attention, spark genuine interest, and create a powerful bond. In this video, we'll reveal these two magic words and explain why they are so effective in building strong, meaningful connections with women. But before I dive in, if you are serious about leveling up your confidence in relationships, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button and subscribe. Your support helps the channel grow, and it allows me to continue bringing you valuable insights. Additionally, it signals to the algorithm that this content's worth sharing, helping more people discover it. Now let's get into it. Why words matter more than you think. It leads to a number of men's self-sabotage talking to a woman. Their thinking is they're being amiable and rather easygoing and accommodating if too yielding, hesitant, or noncommittal. It has exactly the opposite impact. It makes one appear indecisive. It goes something like this. A woman is asked what she likes to do. She says, "I do not know. What do you want to do?" You will respond with such phrases as, "Whatever you wish. It does not matter. You make the decision. Anything is fine with me." You might think you're being polite, but in reality, you're signaling indecisiveness. And trust me, that is the fastest way to kill attraction. Women naturally gravitate toward men who are clear about what they want and can lead with confidence. The two powerful words, "I want." The secret to instantly becoming more attractive is simple. Start using the phrase, "I want." At first glance, these words might seem too simple to make a difference, but they send a powerful message. They show decisiveness, confidence, and clarity, three qualities that are irresistibly attractive to women. When you say, "Oh, I want," you're not just expressing a preference. You're showing that you have direction and purpose. That alone sets you apart from the vast majority of men who hesitate or seek approval before making a decision. How to use "I want" in real-life situations. Now that you know the power of these two words, let's talk about how to apply them in everyday conversations. 1. Asking her out. Instead of saying something weak like, "Hey, if you want, we could maybe hang out sometime," say, "I want to take you to dinner this Friday." See the difference? The second version is confident and direct, while the first sounds unsure and passive. 2. Starting a conversation. Many men struggle with how to approach a woman without seeming nervous or awkward. Here's a simple way to do it. Instead of, "Hey, do you mind if we talk?" say, "I want to get to know you better. Let's grab a coffee this week." This conveys that you are interested and you are taking control of the communication instead of asking to be taken around. 3. Deepening a relationship. If you're already dating, you could use "I want" to further your relationship. Instead of, "Whatever you like is okay," say, "I want to spend more time with you this weekend. Let's come up with something fun to do together." This shows that you value your time with her and are proactive about building the relationship. Why this works so well? Using "I want" makes you stand out for a few key reasons. Heavy check mark. It shows confidence. Women are naturally drawn to men who know what they want. Heavy check mark. It eliminates hesitation. Being clear removes the need for her to guess what you're thinking. Heavy check mark. You are painting yourself as a leader. Waiting for her to make decisions, you take the initiative to decide. But here comes an important point. Confidence is not the same as arrogance. Being decisive doesn't mean treating her opinions as if they are irrelevant or like her preferences wouldn't matter. Instead, be direct and flexible in your approach. For instance, if you say, "I want us to go out for dinner tomorrow," and she says she's busy, don't get defensive. Instead, reply with, "No problem. How about Saturday instead?" This helps you to maintain the conviction without being insensitive. A special bonus. One text that makes her crave you. Before we move on, I have a question for you. Have you ever been thinking about sending a singular text that makes a woman immediately attracted to you? Imagine a message so powerful that it takes over her mind, making her think about you nonstop, even if she's currently with someone else or only sees you as a friend. There are secret psychological triggers that can make her crave you in ways she doesn't even know how to. If you want to learn these, click the first link in the description below to download these magnetic messages. But be warned, once you use them, she won't stop thinking about you. Your challenge: use "I want" 5 times a day. Here's what I want you to do. From today on, use the words "I want" at least 5 times a day for a week. It can be big or small situations, but you have to say it with confidence. Try it when you're making plans, ordering food, or even talking to coworkers. Then, come back and tell me what happens. I guarantee you'll notice a shift in how people react to you. Final thoughts. These 2 words can therefore be completely game-changing, provided that a man masters them. It's not about manipulation or tricks. It's about demonstrating confidence and clarity and emotional intelligence. Authenticity and decisiveness will naturally entice attraction. Women respect a man who is unafraid to express what he wants and is equally clear about his needs. So use it today and watch how the way you connect with others shifts. And don't forget, confidence isn't what you say, it's how you say it. If you like this, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that comment box below, and give me one way you're going to start using "I want" this week. I will catch you all in the next video. Keep it confident, keep it decisive, and keep leveling up.